Hello aspirants and welcome to Civil Steps YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to cover an important topic for prelims, that is Payments Infrastructure Development Fund, PIDF in short. Seeing the previous year paper trend, chances for asking question regarding Payments Infrastructure Development Funds in prelims 2021 are very high. Recently, Reserve Bank of India operationalized Payments Infrastructure Development Fund. So we'll see some details about PIDF now. The 500 crore PIDF fund seeks to encourage acquirers to deploy points of sale infrastructure for both physical and digital modes. So it is all about digital payments. So that is why it is important for your exam. Now RBI will make an initial contribution of rupees 250 crores to this fund. That is half of the money will be by RBI. The remaining contribution will be from the card issuing bank and card network operating in the country, like your MasterCard and Visa card. It will also receive recurring contribution to cover operational expenses from card issuing banks and card networks. Okay, so if additional fund, it will also be there. RBI will also contribute to yearly shortfall if necessary. Now, the PIDF will be governed through an advisory council and managed and administered by RBI. So remember this point, it is very important. The setting up of this fund is in line with the recommendation of the report of the Committee on Deepening of Digital Payments chaired by Nandan Nilekani. So it is a recommendation of Nandan Nilekani Committee. Last year, RBI announced setting up of Acceptance Development Fund to improve the last mile payment network in rural India to transact digitally. So remember this line also. Now we'll talk about point of sale machines. It is again important for your exam. Under the facility of cash withdrawal at POS terminals, card holders can withdraw cash using their debit cards and open system prepaid card issued by banks in India. So remember one thing, that credit cards cannot be used under this facility, only debit cards. Now, cash can also be withdrawn at POS, that is point of sale terminals, through Unified Payment Interface, that is UPI, as well as through use of electronic cards that are linked with overdraft facility provided along with Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana account. Now what is overdraft facility? Overdraft facility is a financial facility or instrument that enables you to withdraw money from your bank account, that is current and saving account, even if you don't have any account balance. So this topic is very important for your prelims exam. So please try to memorize all the facts, and if you like the video, subscribe to Civil Steps YouTube channel. Thank you.